This best of 5 is going to be starting off with the map of Ascent, by the way. I'm just going to quickly go ahead and give you guys a quick rundown of the map veto. Map number 1 is Ascent, by the way, followed by Split, which is going to be map number 2. Map number 3 is Haven. And then after that, map number 4 is Icebox, and the decider is going to be Bind. FTW, we're going to be walking you through this entire best of 5 grand finals between Samurai Esports and Global Esports. Samurai Esports, they beat Team Mahi earlier today in the morning at 11 a.m. They had a best of 3. It was 2-0, and you know, Samurai Esports, it was a very interesting game against Team Mahi. And yeah, here we are. They're going to be facing off Global Esports, who are well, one of the best team in the country, by the way. I'm not gonna lie. The way they put up their performance as well, right? It's really interesting to see them switch things up. And I guess Samurai Esports, let's see if they're gonna be able to put up that exact same performance.
Well, I think the B-bomb site is already in the charge of Global Esports as the spike will go down. Oh, it's actually Samurai Esports, I guess, starting off with the attackers, and the spike is already down. They are heading off the B-bomb side, and as you know, Team Global Esports will be going in for the retake. It's a 4v4 retake, and I think the advantage, it might be to the favor of Samurai Esports. They've got Astra, they've got Cypher for the traps, they've got Sova, they've also got the Jet with skills. He's got the aim. Aim is the name of the game, as skills goes ahead and gets that headshot as the pulling ability will come through from Blackhawk. Blackhawk is using the abilities of the Astra. There you go, he gets himself a triple, and right now it's a 1v2 situation as there is absolutely no time left. That's a triple kill coming in from Samurai Esports, Blackhawk, and that's the first round going into the favor of Samurai Esports.
So you know, just wanted to quickly repeat it once again, so that you don't have any confusions whatsoever. And at this point, I guess SK Rossi is going to be scratching his head as to thinking why exactly did he make that push like that, like a maniac as well with a shotty. He's going to lose his life, and I guess Blackhawk is also going to be finding himself over towards the markets right off the bat. What the hell, that round? That specific round? Now that
they'll be sticking to the SMGs itself, and the skills, I think, is doing a great job. He gets the entry for his team, and right now there is already one man down from Samurai Esports. And look at her, she's trying to make his way towards the B mains. He might be getting taken down on the other hand. SK Rossi gets a kill on to him, but Blackhawk immediately trading off SK Rossi. The trade game is never ending for Blackhawk. As Sai, he's on the top mid, he's trying to get that connection, he's trying to stop the rotation over there as Harsh puts up the camera on the B-bomb side and is going to spot a player out. Meanwhile, Sai is going to take down skills. As we can see that Samurai Esports are going ahead towards the A shots. It can be a mid to A setup. Oh, never mind, they actually decided to go to the B-bomb side as there's only one player standing towards the B-bomb side, and that's the Cypher. Well, little do they know that the Cypher is standing a little too close. That's Kappa going off with the CT, and as he goes, Harsh will be getting taken down. The Lightning Fast immediate trades coming through. Blackhawk gets kill on to Kappa, but Lightning Fast is still alive, up and running as the spike is dropped. It's down to a 1v2 situation, all in the hands of Sai. Well, Sai, you are the man right now that everybody is looking after as the spike will go down. And I think with 10 seconds left on the clock, the Sai
trying their absolute best in this specific round, because if they lose this one, then they give away the lead to Global Esports.
Yup. And I think at this moment, it's going to be the Blackhawk who might be making all the difference, British. He's coming on towards the shot. He's going to use his astral form to get some, to get some stars laid onto his CA bomb set. But I think that's not what's exactly going to happen as rotation was called. And I think Harsh is also going to go back towards the A bomb side. As the only question I have right now is that where is the spike heading towards? It's
you are divided. Joke's over. You're dead.
The A shot as the cosmic divide will be coming through. Rex is gonna flash, go down to the A bomb side, and he might be getting the bomb planted down. He's gonna go down to the other side of the world. Also, it's his ultimate. He's gonna spawn out Lightning Fast, which pretty much means that going to get traded. Lightning Fast gets a trade onto its Blackhawk. On the other hand, you can see it's only 2 players left, and both of their positions have been revealed away. Skills. And the other guy, but right now Samurai Esports is in trouble as it's going to be Rexy and Harsh as Harsh gets spiked, diving down, and Rexy over to his shot and misses that spray. Oh my god, what have you done, Rexy? And there you go, that's finally another round for Global Esports into their hand. Not afforded, so they'll be sticking to the rifles.
They definitely are going to be doing that. And to be completely honest, as I told you, right, if Global Esports get that second out of the board, they're going to get that third as well, as Samurai Esports are going to be on Eco, and I guess Rexy is going to be forced to move out of that specific corner that he was so desperately trying to hold on to just to save his life. But I guess he won't be able to do that. The ultimate coming in from the side of Global Esports. And their Phoenix provided back and goes down, and I guess the intense Samurai Esports finally are going to succumb over towards the B site. And when they're trying to do so, I guess the aggressive positioning held on by the players from the side of Global Esports over towards the B side is gonna sort of gonna be in a bit of a problem as well. Now down to a 3 vs 3 situation as Global Esports have got themselves Skills, Hellranger, and Kappa. Kappa, does he have his recon ready? I guess he does. First of all, he's going to be using up the Owl Drone in order to get information, and if he's not going to be able to gain any sort of information whatsoever, he's going to use up that recon as well. There's going to be a smoke being dropped on by Hellranger, and I guess they're trying to split up these players on the side.
Yeah.
Blocking sight.
And don't worry, even if Side runs out of the bullets, he has his blade stroke coming through. So Skills gets one important man down on the side, and Side takes down Skills, but Skills gets an opening through the Molotov, and that's Blackhawk getting taken down. And here we are, GE Kappa just very casually getting another round into the table. That is so not for Global Esports and Samurai Esports.
It's sort of fast-paced because it is, I guess, you know, both these teams just trying to gain that extra momentum as well.
I
If
cannot.
they can have that momentum as well, they can actually go ahead and put up these numbers as well on the scoreboard. I guess Global Esports are doing a pretty good job when it comes to the match as well, and the numbers game is really working out for Global Esports, especially with players like Hellranger and Lightning Clash
Last
who are putting
player
up
standing.
all of these man advantage, all of these players down to the ground from the side of Samurai. Look at SK Rossi. How the hell, man? Just, you know what? Rushi, can you please send Rossi to Korea? I guess it's finally time.
Get
out of my way.
Like, you know, one of those cartoons. He's so chubby and he's so concentrating in a match. Like you know, I never saw Hellranger smiling even after winning so many tournaments. He keeps saying that, you know, this is not enough.
That's not true. I mean, I've seen Bhavin laugh, and I've been in those moments as well when you know we laugh together. So yeah, Bhavin is a very emotional guy for sure. Yeah, he definitely has all of the in his ways. But I guess right now his emotions they truly are gonna stand out because he's gonna be left out in a 2 vs 3 situation along with his buddy Skills.
Spike
Both of these guys have got their
divided.
utilities left out, so I guess they can put it to use and try and get this round going on to their favor. Wimp on the other hand has taken aggressive angle over towards the markets, and I guess this crossfire setup is definitely going to work out for Wimp and Rexy because the Cosmic Divide, it has divided both of these teams, and I guess that flashbang is going to work out for Skills. And oh no, Wimp is going to be too good with that ghost. Double tap onto the face of Skills, and that's going to be the third round of the board for Samurai Esports.
All Global Esports want is 3 more rounds so that the first
Joke's
round is
over.
made.
You're dead.
And all Samurai Esports want is the lead in the attacking side. So when they go down to the defenders, they shouldn't have a problem in doing that comeback possible. As Harsh is going to set up all the cameras and all the traps. Meanwhile, it is going to be Harsh. It's going to be Wimp who's going to get the spike planted down. And I think he's being hurt by the Hunter's Fury. So with the spike planted down on the other hand, SK Rossi is so
Spike planted.
it's gonna get that, you know, Blades out is gonna get to one kill. Outside takes him down immediately. That is SK Rossi getting taken down with the operator. Well, Skills, oh my god, Skills has burned down in the Molotov. Sorry, he let Rexy burn down the Molotov.
Last
As
player
Kappa
standing.
Wimp and Kappa gets another one. That's a double kill. As the Spike is getting his kills, the side will also be getting taken down by Hellranger through the smoke, and that is a beautiful retake coming in from Global Esports.
You can't really start celebrating. Can't really get ahead of yourself as well. I guess SK Rossi, he kind of had a bad read on where exactly that recon is going to land. This time around though, SK Rossi, the recon is not going to land over towards the right wall. It's going to be over towards the left wall. And yeah, you can really see him, you know, put down that cloud burst over to the right wall. And I guess it's going to be Skills to use up the
Spike
curveball
down.
in order to get the frag on towards Rexy. SK Rossi on the other hand takes out Harsh over towards the
Last
base. And I
player
guess
standing.
the daddy of Global Esports, they are gonna go ahead and put up that 7th round of the board, aren't they? Because Wimp left out in a 1 versus 4 situation isn't really gonna be able to do much. He's got himself that recon. I guess the Hunter's Fury is ready as well.
Knife is not the question over here. As Wimp is starting really close down towards the top lane. Wimp gets spotted out over there. He gets one but gets immediately traded by Kappa over there. And I think El Ranger is gonna be surfaced right now that main aa jata hai yaar. A lot of fights over there, individual fights, and the comms, they're not aligned together. You know, they're not coordinating properly. As I said, SK Rossi gets one on his side, but Rexy comes down to an immediate trade. Now that is something I would like to watch from Samurai Esports, as the spike will go down in the hands of Blackhawk, and I think Wimp is going to put that drone on towards the A shot and pretty much clear the A shot so that we get an entry. But Skills on the other hand is already taken down Harsh. Now while Ranger and Skills have been spotted out, and looks like Skills is going to go get another one on towards Blackhawk. But I think Wimp over here, he'll be burning down the flames. It's down to 77 HP with only 2 seconds left for getting the recon. And only 1 minute left for getting the spike planted down. Skills gets a triple, and that's the end for Samurai Esports.
I guess past month or two now, he has always been at the top of the table. And, yeah, he has always been consistent every single day, by the way. Whatever agent he picks, he dominates in that. And I guess it's all good, to be honest, for Skills right now. Everything's lining up properly.
You're dead.
Combo to go ahead and switch to the Vandal as well. Yoda is going to work. Go ahead and do them lightning fast. SK Rossi is going to quickly chime in with that operator over to
I
the
know
top
exactly
position.
where.
As well, but oh, that quick snap on towards Rexy as we're going to be seeing the Brimstorms coming out. SK Rossi gets another one and the triple, make it a quad. Ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be all down to Harsh in a 1 versus 2 situation with the Samurai Esports. He's at a man disadvantage. There's absolutely nothing he can do. And I guess it's going to be nothing but 9-3 on the board as we move on towards the second half of the game. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Global Esports as the boys are going to go ahead and put 9 rounds of that defense side.
And to face them off is going to be a difficult task for Samurai Esports. And Samurai Esports, look at Sai, he's trying to peek out towards the shot. And I think with the smoke coming in through, Kappa might not be able to, you know, locate Sai, but maybe he can. Actually, Sai has been located and is going to fall back in towards the A shot. 9-3, and looks like the bomb is heading towards the market, and market to maybe be over there. Market to B, and can be market to A. Well, quite not sure about it, as it's going to be Sai who's already gone for an early rotation, which was quite unnecessary. But there are 3 players moving towards the shots, and it can be Blackhawk who can stop them from doing so. And I think as the bullying ability will come through, but lightning faster, it doesn't matter for him. He's gonna take down Blackhawk either way, as Rexy is gonna be the guy cutting off at the aimings, and he might be getting an headshot. And there you go, Sai is gonna give an headshot to Rossi as well. It's down to a 3v3 situation, but it all starts here as Sai, the smoke goes away. He knows that the players are rotating, the players are making their way quickly towards the B bomb side as a rotation was called in. Wimp is gonna go down to the CT. Yes, a recon in his hand. He can put the recon to a good use, but there is 2 players pushing in the markets, and Wimp is gonna go
30
and
seconds
sit down in the bomb set. He knows that the players are making their way towards the bomb set, and that is going to be Skills, who does not have any idea, but it's actually Wimp sitting down in the side. And there you go, Harsh gets one as well. It's down to a 1v1 situation with the health advantage coming in from Kappa over there. And I think Kappa over there gets spotted out, and he's going to get the spike planted down. Now it's on towards the first one planted. There you go. Kappa gives a headshot, and that is Harsh getting taken out. Look at the celebration. El Ranger and Skills, they are like, what just happened over there?
Yes, stars have truly aligned for Global Esports on the map of Ascent.
Yep. As we move down towards the 10th round, and I think we're having a good time. Look at that. He's trying to bully over all the players by pulling in those, stars over there. But I think nothing's gonna change. Global Esports is gonna stay themselves either way.
Last
so they're
player
going and
standing.
picking up 2 kills, 3 kills actually, 4, and there is the last one standing down. That is Sai. And there you go, 11th round on board for Global Esports. Are just 1 round away from getting that match point, and 2 rounds away from getting the victory.
Love sending in a couple of players over towards the catwalks, and then sending in a few players from the A mains as well, and completely pouncing on towards these defenders from the side of Samurai Esports towards the A side. And there you go. It's going to be SK Rossi to get the frag on towards Samurai Blackhawk. Gets immediate frag on towards Outrageous as well. SK Rossi is going to be dropping in a smoke, so he can easily maneuver his way around the side, but at the same time, Harsh, just like lightning fast, he's a really good anchor on the side. And I guess this time around though, he's going to be falling short of places to be. Kappa instead goes ahead and takes him down.
One enemy remaining.
Spectre, and ooh, lightning fast with the Bulldog. It's been some time since
30
I saw
seconds
Bulldog,
left.
by the way. On the other hand, Whip, what the heck, Whip? He just jumps down like that?
3 of 5 guys, so don't worry, it's still the first map of the day, and it was actually Global Esports pick, so they're pretty much rocking it out there. As the I think the next map is split if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, the next map is split, so...
Ooh, Skills is so close on the verge of dying at this point. All he needs is just one orb to get that run it back ultimate, and I think he will be taking that orb if I'm not wrong. While Astra puts down the pulling abilities, it's going to be Skills who picks up the orb, and right now it's going to be Rexy who is trying to peek down towards the A mains, and I think that's not going to happen, as it's going to be Skills and teammates moving towards the A mains, and I think the spike is also being called in with the ultimate. It's going to be Skills who's going to take down the pulling ability. It's going to make his way towards the A bomb side to make sure that the A side is clear, and along with him is going to be the SK Rossi coming from the behind. It's going to go back off the side, check it down, and maybe get the spike planted down. There you go, SK Rossi getting the bomb planted down. It's going to be El Ranger gets kill onto Samurai Esports. Blackhawk, it's down to 3v5 situation, all in the favor of Global Esports. It's the last 3 man down, standing in for Team Samurai Esports as the Rexy gets taken down. It's all down towards SK Rossi with that knife, with the brainstorm. They're pretty much going to end the first half, the first match of the day.